big deal that has been finally through between EU as well as US, wherein a 15% tariff has been agreed on most of the EU imports to the US, and along with that a 0% tariff across the sectors is what both the nations have agreed for, be it from aircraft and the plane parts, certain chemicals, semiconductor equipment and select generics as well. But the key to note is that with respect to the sectors, it's cars that will have a 15% leeway, and that's indeed positive for the companies which have exposure to the EU markets as well, because last time, or rather in the previous parts when such tariff discussions were through, a 25% tariff was actually announced, and that was indeed concerning for major companies, and especially those which have exposure or manufacturing units in the European Union. Along with that, with respect to the Indian companies as well, we have seen companies like Tata Motors actually, because of this particular concern, have actually announced the pause of the shipments to the United States from the manufacturing plants of EU. But again, that after some time that was resumed. But this particular news flow of a 15% tariff kicking in is indeed positive and actually better than what was actually anticipated earlier. So on the back of this particular news, that's indeed positive for the global automotive sector, the companies specifically that have exposure to the EU, and then of course Tata Motors within the Indian pack will be the key to watch out for, because if we look at the numbers then for financial year of 24, for the JLR units, the contribution coming in from the US market was actually more than 20%, but that increased substantially. And if we look at the recent numbers, that's more than 30%. But well, of course, the companies have been taking some bit of an adjustments or making some adjustments because of the tariff tantrum all around. Other than cars and other than the automotive division, companies like Bharat Forge, they do have exposure to the European market, some of the clients over there, and along with that the Indian IT companies, they also drive some bit of clientele from the European majors, be it from Infosys, Wipro, TCS. These are the major IT companies that have clientele from the European markets, and because of this particular deal that is through, that bodes well for the economy as well indeed. So that's another positive news flow that eventually might impact the Indian IT companies as well.